Do you know anybody in New York?
Yes. My friend Jonas lives there.
Does anyone want to join me for lunch?
For sure. I am very hungry. Did you do anything special yesterday?
Nothing much. Just watched TV.
Would you like something to drink?
A glass of soda, please.
Did anyone call you yesterday?
No, nobody called me yesterday.
Are any of them your friends?
No, none of them are my friends.
Does he have any money?
No, he doesn't have any money.
Is English an easy language to learn?
Yes. Anyone can learn English.
Is anyone still in the office?
No, everyone left early today.
What is this?
I don't know. Someone left it here yesterday.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.